Hi guys, this one will be about using Ableton Live in combination with the Moog DFAM in order to get odd time signatures out of an 8-step sequencer. So I'm a big fan of 3, 4, 6, 8, 7, whatever. So that was basically one of the first questions I had to myself when I was getting this device. I guess the only way, or one workaround I found, is to send MIDI to the Mother32 assignable output. If you don't have the Mother32, you will need something that can convert MIDI to CV messages. Via the assignable output, I kind of send triggers to the advance and clock input of the Moog DFAM. So let's connect these two so that the Moog knows where to go. Next thing, let's check what happens if I hit run and stop. Nothing, because now the Moog DFAM is waiting for trigger messages or clock messages from the input here. Let's turn to Ableton and see how to set this up. I have this MIDI clip or MIDI channel over here. It's actually a MIDI track, however, with an external instrument, so I'm sending the MIDI out via my interface to the Mother32 and then grabbing the audio from another input of the interface. Next thing we're gonna have to do is make a MIDI clip like this, and then I'm gonna use the envelopes to send MIDI control messages out, or MIDI CC, and then I programmed the assignable output of the Mother32 to use or to send out the CC number 2 to the assignable output. So now I want to make a 6/8 rhythm out of an 8-step sequence, and we cannot get less steps. So what we have to do is basically we have to speed some steps up in order to fit into this pattern. What I'm gonna do is go to 30 seconds because I want to make really short messages. Then I'm gonna use the draw tool to make the 8ths first. So here we have our 6 steps and the 6/8 that we're gonna have in the rhythm, and then next thing I will just add, let's say, another 2 somewhere here. Then in total we get our beautiful 8 steps. However, they are now in a pattern of a 6/8 measure or bar, which is exactly what I wanted. So in order for all this stuff now to play in sync, we will have to advance the DFAM to a place like this. And then we hit run and stop to make it kind of engage. And if I now hit this beautiful clip, it should play like this, and it's running, which is pretty. So let's see what we get. Let's make a kick on the one like this. On the one is a kick, and then 1, 2, 3, and then I would like a snare somewhere here, maybe like so. Then let's get rid of this stuff first. Okay, now we can already hear that it's a 6/8 rhythm. Let's make this really quick and use like pitch to modulate the noise. And then maybe also no, there you go. This is basically a 6/8 rhythm, just like we wanted it before. And this is the way to do this. However, now based on this idea, you can also obviously take it a bit further, and you could use the follow action to make different types of rhythms and even odd lengths that then run over each other and over the usual timing of the bar to actually create some sort of randomness. So let's just duplicate these guys, and let's say make this one a bit shorter, make it kind of a fill, you know, like that it triggers only the 16ths. Let's make another one which does something like I don't know, maybe something like this. Well, why not? And then we take all these 3 guys and we give it a follow action of 1 bar, I guess. Why not? 1. Or nah, let's make something really weird. So let's go for, I don't know, 4/8 something. No, this is 4/4. Whatever. And then we go to other and we hit play. And now Ableton is gonna create weird stuff. So if you combine this with like a chord progression or something which is on the grid, you get these really nice ever-evolving rhythm patterns that you cannot quite put your finger on, but they are still pretty controllable in this way of sequencing. Alright, that's basically what it was for now. I hope this was helpful to you guys. If you liked it or have any questions, just leave it in the comments or hit like, subscribe, and all these beautiful things. Alright, see you at the next one.